Hey there, welcome. I'm Claire Panchod of Meiraki Health and Wellness Solutions, and today on our Conscious Cleaning series, we're going to talk about how I make my wood and furniture polish that is super simple, super quick, super easy, cost effective, and non-toxic. Cool, huh? All right, so all you do is you start off with a glass container, a glass spray bottle, add a sprayer top onto it, and go ahead and fill it up with the contents of the solution. So you start off with 1 cup of a carrier oil, such as almond oil, olive oil, or fractionated coconut oil. Fractionated coconut oil actually stays at a liquid state, so it's not like the same coconut oil that you purchase from the store that is in the solid state. So that's the difference there. And then you want to go ahead and add just half a cup of purified water, and then about 30 drops of doTERRA's lemon. You can also add another 10 drops of another citrus oil to that. I love to use like wild orange or clementine, something citrusy that really smells so super lovely, uplifting, and has great cleansing properties as well for the surface areas. So of course lemon I tend to go to because that's usually what we think of when we think of furniture polish, is that lovely lemon smell. Well, this is pure lemon. So this is where lemon gets their scent from. Essential oils are the aromatic compounds that come from the actual fruit or tree or flower that we get the smell from, we get the scent from. So this is pure lemon. This is what you smell when you actually peel a lemon back. That's the scent that you get. And doTERRA is 100% absolutely certified pure therapeutic grade. So what you get when you open up a lemon is what you get in this bottle. No fillers, no contaminants, nothing else, just truly pure essential oils. That is why doTERRA is #1. So I go ahead and add my essential oils, give the bottle a little shake, and start cleaning. So go ahead and give this a try. If you don't have doTERRA essential oils and you're interested to get started with them, hit me up. Let me know. I'm happy to help. All right, guys. Have a great one.